Let's not make this a show about what is the Indian administration, what is the Indian state. That's not what's up for discussion here, Mr. Satpathy. Mr. Satpathy, let's not discuss what's wrong with India. I want to know, in this specific case, why has it not been handed over to the CBI? Why don't you answer that question?
Instead of taking responsibility for the behavior of your party in the state, your chief minister, you are trying to philosophize and you are trying to teach us lessons about how the administration functions in this country. You tell us how the administration is functioning in your state.
No, one second. Can I just ask the producers to turn down Mr. Satpathy's audio fader, please? Just turn that down immediately. Turn that down now.
Senior rank.
Mr. Satpathy, we are not here to listen to your philosophical lecture about how the state officials function and what is happening to the police. Here is the real situation in a state which cannot be more horrendous than what is happening at the moment. A girl is killed after rape. The same rapist come out and they come and rape the witness. You do not, write the FIR. There is the man who is responsible and who is accomplice, who is known accomplice, is at large. What kind of a jungle Raj is there in Odisha? You are talking about now Congress versus BJD. If Congress did all that, it is worse. But what is your government doing? Why is Naveen Patnaik trying to shield this minister? Why this minister has not been arrested till date? That is what we want to know.
Mr. Patnaik, what action do you believe the Orissa government should take in this case? What do you think needs to be done now without wasting any time? Mr. Satpathy is on his own tangent. He is just speaking non-stop, doesn't want to listen to anything, doesn't want to answer any questions.
He has nothing to say.
Know everything. I am not claiming that. But this is what I see.
The matter is very simple.
And in JB Patnaik's government, if you take it from Chabirani's case to Anjana Mishra's case.
What are you talking about? That was wrong. That does not mean that you can get away by the wrong.
Mr. Satpathy.
That was wrong. That does not mean your government can get away by doing such a wrong thing. You should arrest the minister immediately and please order a CBI inquiry. We are appealing to your chief minister. If he has any kind of conviction for women in this country, he should order a CBI inquiry and arrest the minister immediately.